The Basis Conversion and Development Authority or BCDA assured that the Pact Silica project will bring more jobs while safeguarding the welfare of affected communities in New Clark City. This surfaced amid concerns over the government's modernization move. BCDA President and CEO Joshua Bincang said nearly 200,000 direct jobs could be created if an AI industrial hub is established there. He said that Pact Silica aims to create high-skilled employment to provide opportunities for skilled workers in the country. The official emphasized that the project seeks to achieve a brain gain and encourage skilled Filipino workers to use their talents in the local industry.
Ang gusto natin ngayon, magkaroon ng isang napakagandang opportunity na dito naman sila magamit. No po, yung tinatawag naman namin ito ay brain gain. No po, kabaligtaran ng brain drain. Kasi gusto natin na dito sila magamit yung talento nila.
Meanwhile, the BCDA denied fears of displacement among indigenous peoples due to the Pact Silica initiative. Bincang clarified that the allegations are false. He stresses that designated sites have been set aside separately from the Aita community's ancestral domain.
Ang una po kasi lumabas na balita ay na nagpatakot, mabigay ng pangamba sa mga tao. Yung sabi, more than 20,000 daw nakatutubo ang tatamaan. So that's false news po yun, ano? Dahil meron na, lagi ko po sinasabi, meron na pong inallocate ang government po doon na ancestral domain. Nasa 15,000 hectares.
The BCDA also stated that the government provide financial assistance and livelihood support to residents who may be affected by development projects in New Clark City. Bincang reiterated that Pact Silica focuses on job creation, industry strengthening, and executing developmental projects in coordination with the community. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.